best herbs for testosterone. I went to ED natural treatment, and there's just oceans and oceans and oceans and oceans of stuff, right? The list that they're selling basically is Maca root, Catuaba bark, horny goatweed, Eleuthero root, saw palmetto, Gingko, ashwagandha, faux tea, Tongkat Ali, Yohimbe, rosemary, Billberry, Suma powder, and glyconutrients. And you know, some of these I was familiar with, some of them I weren't. And then I realized, oh, I see what they're doing. These all are not for just like, you know, they say here winky, for example, and then one is for energy and stamina, and one is for your prostate, and one is for hair. So this is basically a full kit for men, you know, which is like, and I've been using it for a while. You can use it in your smoothies. You'll never find me, you know, a day not going without a smoothie. So I take these herbs and I put them in a smoothie. So literally I'll make a smoothie in a blender, and I'll take this herbs and I'll drop in like 2 or 3 pinches tops. And there's no question, LibidoTestosteroneHerbs.com had everything I needed, you know, long story short. There's another site out there, Herbistat.com. Herbistat.com has it has the same stuff, kind of dummied down. A few different herbs there. Here's the prices. But these are all the herbs, literally, Maca, Catuaba, horny goatweed. Or you can just do the herbs for your winky if you want. So, Maca, Catuaba, horny goatweed, Yohimbe, and Suma. So my recommendation is like, take a pinch, whatever you're going for, whatever you end up buying, just, you know, put it on the tip of your tongue, see if you're allergic to it, slowly but surely like build into the process. Couple pinches. You don't really need any more than half a teaspoon of a mixture of herbs, you know, in a 24-hour setting. You just don't. So once again, I'm a big fan of Herbistat. They have herbs for men. There is Libido Testosterone Herbs. Here's Libido Herbs. I'm on their site, just clicking on that. And then here's herbs to boost your sexual performance. And then here's the list, you know, quite literally. And it basically gives you a background of where they came from. List of herbs below are the king of sex herbs, right? King of sex herbs. So the herbs below on Libido Testosterone Herbs, these are the king of sex herbs, right? And they are. I mean, if you see that, you know all these. And then you can kind of scroll down and you can buy. And I found these 10 or 15 herbs that mattered. And then I found a place that was selling, you know, those herbs anyhow, and they were $39. So it was like no-brainer time. And they work. It's insane how good they work. Insane. So, I mean, it's insane how good they work. So best of luck to you. If you have any comments or want to have any cares or concerns, just, you know, put them down. I'll see if I can, you know, get back to you, shoot you an email or something like that, how I do it as well. But there they are. Those are the kings and queens and whatever, uncles and stepbrothers and bastard children, whatever you want to call it. This is like an overall little boosting set of herbs, not only for, you know, for your eyes, for your hair, for all, you know, for men overall. Libido Testosterone Herbs is phenomenal.